Livingstone, our guide for the whole 3 weeks adventure, greeted Peter and I at the Arcadia Lodge at about 3 o'clock, our first stop, and baffled us with lots of maps, but assured us that all will be well. He would be meeting us early the next morning, when we were going to, hopefully, see and film the shoebill. We thought now would be a good opportunity to have a look around the grounds and see what we could find and film. Tomorrow will be exciting when we don't know what you are going to see or able to film. This Verox eagle owl seems to be handling the weather better than we are. Beautiful bird though. Rain does not go well with camera gear. Livingstone kindly lent me a plastic raincoat, so we just had to try our best. We're off, keeping our fingers crossed. Just hope we can find one. Wonderful, they found us one. They live in marshy swamps, as you can see, and feed on marbled lungfish, frogs and catfish. They are about 5 foot tall. Although part of the heron family, they are closely related to the pelicans. They have the same eggshell structure. There are between 5,000 and 8,000 specimens left now. They are very vulnerable owing to habitat loss. They are number 5 in the must-see bird list, so we were very pleased to be able to see them and film them. We are now very wet, but must leave them in peace. It has been an amazing experience. Going back to the car now. All three of us need to try and dry out. Quite a long drive now, but the weather is starting to brighten up. There are lots of different bird species coming out to dry and preen themselves in the sunshine. These Deirdre cuckoos doing a territorial display. Rather nice. Livingston stopped off at this black-headed heronry to let Pete and I get some footage. It was a very nice spot. These two black-faced vervet monkeys having a disagreement about who should be on top. The white-throated bee-eater really is a lovely bird. The coffee flower is so pretty, well worth a closer look. These street markets are wonderful to see, so full of colour and activity.
You know the driver's not going to be very
Obviously this scene is very bad news for somebody. We were lucky to see these straw-coloured bats, as it was getting quite dark. Livingston said we can see them again in the morning. Up and out early in the morning.
Might be a hot day today, do you?
So that's not true. What you have to pay for is the extension cable, but not else.
We have quite a long way to go today, getting very excited about what we may see and film on our way. Livingston was right. Here are the straw-coloured bats again, and in better light this time. What a morning we're having. An African grey parrot, one of my favourite parrots. These 4 splendid starlings look amazing in this light. This yellow-billed kite looks stunning in this early morning light. I have never seen payak before. They are part of the African crow family and closely related to the Central Asian ground jay.
This tree, the other one. See my dot on the trunk? Yes. Oh, the dot left.
I see him.
Both Peter and I love filming dragonflies and butterflies, in fact all insects. So hopefully we should see quite a lot of them while we're here on our adventure with Livingstone. Our first monkey, a grey-cheeked magpie. They live in groups of 5 to 30 individuals in forests across Central Africa. They eat figs and take seasonal fruit, roots, flowers and insects. And here is a red-tailed monkey. Wonderful. Interestingly, they have a dry nose. They live in forest in mid-West Africa and as far east as Uganda. It is gradually becoming an endangered species due to deforestation and over-exploration through hunting and predation. They live in social groups between 7 and 30 individuals, with 1 male and 1 female being dominant. They were lovely to watch, being with a baby as well. Livingstone is taking us on one of his shortcuts across country. Then we emerge back onto the main road, on our way to Eco Lodge at Budongo. Once we have signed in, we go to Eco Lodge for the night.